money setting it all up. And he said, I'm telling you, he says, there's a lot of these companies where all these rollers start coming on. It's just amazing.
Ishapore, 308.
You know, where they can go up there and put in. Some of the things they need to have manpower, some of the robots.
Remington,
You know, I had a guy that used to
147 grain. It's only at 50 yards.
And he thought he was a big deal with those robots. And he said, yeah, they cut back, they cut out how many jobs. And I said, don't you feel bad? He says, hell no. It's because it's my job to make sure that this thing's all happen. So he says, if I don't, then I would lose my job. But I said, look at how many people you put out of work and how many is going to keep going to be put out of work to grow that. But look at how, then he said, look at how many it took to make that stuff. I said, I know. But you put the small guy out. But I said, you put the small guy out. You put the small guy out. And I said, and I never had a good respect for him after that because I said, you don't give a shit about the small guy. He was making that, for him at that time, he was making over 100, this is a long time ago already, he was making over 100 grand a year. Yeah, he was, you know, he had to keep producing and doing this and that. Finally, he retired from that at a big money at about 55 years old. Out of there. Now he's consulting to small factories about
putting robots in.
Well, how to go up there and cut your costs down, which means cut your help down but get the same production. They were doing that at the meatpacking plant when I left to go in the military. No, I was putting the guys, inspector would cut you down. I said, guys, I said, just get out of my goddamn way. You're standing in my way. He said, you're just lucky you're going. I know you're leaving to go. So otherwise, I wouldn't put up with you.
Really?
I said, you can't stand in you're losing our production.
Yeah.
You can do what you want, cut people down here all you want, but you can't stand in their way. We got to get stuff done. I used to take and make up hamburger. The hamburger was already made, and so they'd sell to the schools. And I'd take the hamburger out of the tub, weigh it, get 10-pound packages, wrap it real tight, mark 10 pounds, put 100 pounds into a box. You know, put plastic in and then wrap it over that and then close this wooden box. Then I do 5-pound packages. I had to have 100 pounds in there too. But I did it all by hand. I was a runner. I did all kinds of stuff. By the time if I was so busy at night, it flew for me. But that's because I had so many jobs to do, and it was all jobs by hand. Yeah. And eventually they kind of quit. They got rid of that, and they just didn't do a lot of that no more. I didn't do the hamburger that route no more. They didn't sell it that way. Sold it bulk to them. Take it or leave it.
Oh,
hold that one right.
Oh, yeah. They got away from the things. That's because it got sold, you know, and this and that, and they didn't want to do it to the smaller orders and all that crap. And I still remember one of the old guys, it was a German fella, and his name said, I want to tell you guys,
she's cool.
The small orders keep you guys all busy, keep you working. The big orders are the ones I make my money on, but the small orders, remember, small orders keep everybody working.
That's right.
And that's what's forgot about now.
That's not really fair to the customer either, to make them have to buy at a time only.
Yeah, well, they got some more than that afterwards. Even when I quit some of the places because I had to buy, well, I had to cut back a different to buy it because I couldn't buy the small amount. There was no 100. They were at a lot of these places were starting to get. Even when I left, it was getting. Remember, I'm out of it over 11 years already. Out of the business. A lot of these places were at 250 pounds.
Really?
And I've been out over 11, so.
Well, you gotta put that on a stick. That's a lot.
Yeah, so I mean, now you start talking. You're only buying from 1, 2, or 3 places. That's it.
Yeah.
You ain't buying the small places to buy some things.
No.
I still bought a lot of my meats out from smaller stores, butcher shops, and things that I could cook for the seed. I took care of. I went to them.
Well, I like the independent butcher shops.
And they're hard to find.
Yeah. There's a lot of them in Wisconsin, though.
just gotta drive a ways to find it.
Yeah.
Sometimes you pay a little more, but there's